What's up guys, my name is Caleb Fox, I'm a photographer and that's about all you need to know. I totally forgot to tell you that I'm going to be showing you my awesome photography skills too.
Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills. Girls only want boyfriends who have great skills.
Alright, so let's get into this. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you my photography skills. Starting off here, I have just a burlap sack from this thrift store that I found. Super cool. It was super cheap too. I would definitely go to thrift stores just to look for stuff like this. Also, that journal, I bought that because I wanted something to write in and just keep track of stuff. It's worked pretty well, but yeah, I like using that in photos. This is a super simple, just random setup here in our laundry room. It's really funny. There's a light there. It's pretty nice. It's very diffused, so I don't have to worry about any harsh shadows. I have lights on both sides just so that I can make sure that all the shadows aren't too harsh or anything like that. I still do like some of the shadows, but for the most part I want to make sure I can lighten them a little bit. But yeah, so this coffee is from Spokane, Washington. Well, it's Brazilian coffee, but I bought it in Spokane, Washington. I went up there for about 10 days to see my girlfriend, but yeah, it's a super good coffee. If y'all are ever up there, be sure to check this brand out. But yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just spreading out the coffee on the burlap sack, trying to make it as random as possible. I am moving it around with my hand a little bit just because I want it to be spread out more than clumped up, but that looks pretty good. This ball is from this levitating thing that I got for Christmas. I think it was. My aunt sent it to me, but it has Brazil in it obviously, so I decided to put it up there. Here's a burlap sack with fairy lights on it, because what photo isn't complete without fairy lights? Just kidding, but yeah, fairy lights are definitely a great addition to your photos. Here's the setup before I kind of put some more stuff on it. I was going to put it on a tripod and take photos, and I did wind up doing that later on, but I kind of just did it with my hands. I put some clay on this because there's a magnet at the top and it was kind of weighing it down, so I put that on there and it helped out a lot. I needed some filling of the negative space, so I put some cream in there. Here's a coffee pour over thing that I bought a couple days ago at Walmart. It's like 15 bucks. It's really nice for photos and coffee drinking. Wow, I'm spilling everywhere. And yes, I do have a paper filter whenever there's a permanent filter. I am very extra. I am fine with that. We have these plates and a coffee mug that I really like. They match and it just gives kind of a different mood to it. It added some blue color. I had a lot of brown in there that I wanted to even out, or I'm not sure what I would say for that. Adds a lot of brown in there, so I wanted to add some more color to it. But yeah, here's like the basic setup for everything. I kind of took all the pictures like this. Alright, so getting into editing. A lot of these were very underexposed, so I decided to kind of up the exposure and the shadows and highlights and stuff, and add some gradient mask just so that I could bring out the coffee bag and have the background a little darker so you could focus more on the coffee bag. I think this is my favorite photo out of the whole batch that I got during the shoot. Super nice. I like the lights in the background and the cream going into the coffee. It fits really well. This one's a closer up of the bag. I'm switching back and forth here. Not sure what I'm doing. Kind of doing the same thing as I was on that first photo that I edited. Man, I realize how much I use radiant filters. Radiant filters? I think it's radial. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. Yep, another radial filter. Because why not? If it makes the photo look better, then you gotta do what you gotta do. If you can pause quick enough, you can see little me. More editing. Split toning is something that I haven't really mastered yet. It's kind of a hard thing to do. It's basically putting colors in the highlights and the shadows. I'm not very good at it yet. Here's me just going through more photos. This one I had some trouble filling in stuff. Slapped a preset on there. I'm gonna put this to all the photos just because it looks really nice, works well. There we are. Here's the first photo. Kind of the same look. Close up. I really like this one too. That one's good. Another close up. And my all-time favorite. I also made a little gallery for the brand. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to leave y'all with the verse of the day. It is Isaiah 26 verse 3. It says, "You will keep in perfect peace all who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed on you." See y'all later. Have a good day.